here, this device operates using quantum technology. Have you ever considered what is actually meant? Today, the word quantum has become a marketing label used to increase the appeal of almost any technological product. This is a misleading practice. While the observable universe can be described using Newton's laws, the subatomic world requires quantum mechanics. For a technology to deserve the label quantum, it must transform the distinctive features of quantum physics, such as superposition and entanglement, into concrete tools for computation and information processing. If a system does not use these features as operational resources, then no matter how small or fast it may be, it remains a classical technology. From determinism to probability. Classical physics describes a world with predictable outcomes. Quantum mechanics, by contrast, opens the door to a universe in which multiple outcomes coexist simultaneously. This can be illustrated with two examples. The maze analogy. Classical computers can be likened to a rabbit finding its way out of a maze by trying each corridor one by one. Information is processed sequentially. A genuine quantum system, however, resembles water flowing into all paths of the maze at once. This is superposition. It grants the system not only speed, but also the capacity to evaluate multiple possibilities simultaneously. Entanglement describes two particles behaving as a single unit, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon, which was famously described by Einstein as spooky action at a distance, forms the foundation of future secure communication. In classical encryption, a key is transmitted from one location to another, and it is always possible for someone to copy this key without being detected. In the quantum domain, the key is generated using entangled particles. If anyone attempts to eavesdrop, the laws of quantum physics cause the entire system to change instantly. Without such quantum resources, we are not dealing with a quantum revolution, but merely with a high-speed classical system. Understanding quantum technologies does not simply mean expecting faster processors. It means transforming the way nature itself processes information into an engineering methodology. The true quantum revolution will occur not when we merely observe these laws, but when we learn to use them as steering mechanisms. The future will not only be faster, it will operate on an entirely different logic, bound by the deepest connections in the universe.